All right, busy man here.
Yeah. Yep, guys, 24 hours ago, basically to the minute, we watched as Hurricane Maria made landfall in southeastern Puerto Rico. It reemerged back out over open water and once again has a very well-defined, rather large eye, 50-mile wide in diameter.
Wow.
That's huge, guys. Before it made landfall, it only had an eye of about 15 miles. And now it is wreaking havoc along the north coast of the Dominican Republic. Will not be a direct landfall there, but sometimes it can be just as devastating. We're seeing the outermost rain bands, a whole lot of rain, mudslides, and storm surge, a big issue there in that part of the world this morning. There's a close-up look of that well-defined eye. Not very much concentric, but it is kind of wobbling around there. Still a major Category 3 storm, and just to the north of it, by about 1,000 miles, is Tropical Storm Jose. Yeah, it's going to sit there and not really go anywhere in the next 4 to 5 days, and eventually it may even have some interaction with Maria as it moves north in the forecast track here that you see from the National Hurricane Center. It takes pretty much that due north trajectory once we get past Saturday morning and slowly weakens as it's going to be moving over the wake of Jose, which has already used up a lot of the energy that was available in the ocean there, mixed up the waters, so ocean temperatures aren't as warm as they were. And for hurricane development and sustainability, you need it to be at least 80 degrees or warmer. Likely not going to be the case here as it travels farther and farther to the north. But again, the trend has been pushing it a little bit farther to the east and offshore. I like that trend, but it's not set in stone. We're still going to have to watch it very closely. Here's what the models are doing with it. Again, up to around Sunday night, we have a good feel that it's going to be moving north and staying offshore. But from there, notice that deviation. There is an outlier that takes it towards the eastern seaboard and most that take it out to sea. So we're still going to have to watch it closely right on through the rest of the weekend. Several days up through then that we're going to see sunny, dry, beautiful conditions, including your weekend. And then Jose and Maria possibly having that interaction Tuesday and Wednesday, that time frame to watch next week. 69 out the door this morning. Winds are calm. Dew points are up. A few areas of fog you'll find out there this morning as well, especially out along the eastern shore, down to a quarter-mile visibility in Melfa, 7 miles Chesapeake, 3 in Elizabeth City. High pressure just to our north, and that's going to make for a nice day today, a nice wrap to the work week tomorrow, and really a pleasant weekend as well. Let's go through the day today on FUTURECAST. Not a whole lot to talk about weather-wise. A few fair weather clouds this afternoon. That'll be about it. You want to take your lunch hour outside today? Perfect day to do it. Temperatures around 80 at that point. We'll top out today in the middle 80s. Still well above average for this time of the year at 84 under mostly sunny skies. Tonight we fall back to 68. This is close to the coastline. Inland areas likely dropping in the low to mid 60s under clear skies and light winds. And here's how things look for the next 7 days. Again, a long stretch lasting right through around Monday morning before a few more clouds work on in here. And that is wholly dependent on where Maria tracks Tuesday and Wednesday. It could go right out to sea, and we could extend that stretch of long, nice weather up through the middle of next week. We'll have to watch it closely.